You know, say, inshallah, 2028, Dr. Muhammad Bawumia is going to win the election. And you papa join a partner, baby, for Unquasia base, the baby. Ye any more time, and I'm going to say one time. And I better say, the base into a comment, Shako patch or so base tan, base in our social media, no could be unfamono. And now you think, say, who pursue the base now, Nancrophobia do what you own. Ghana for any time, and which like Ghana for woman or more has on the Atuaba, I'm a Dr. Muhammad Bawumia 2028, light bill, Mutimitra, water bill, Mutimitra, school fees, Mutimitra. Ghana yedi no no mo dwene wanya wo base tantano someone na mo se some wo sika de bench say pa na mo ye ma Ghana for must keep quiet over there and stop fooling
abuza for ma munyina makọ about the Ghana and Sim TV so but somebody so be like video be subscribe to the channel now what no notification say be videos of this nature about so sabet makabi so the munyina munim ne from Mr. President to whom na from Mr. President am me few na majo so sa now, me pacho if by chance you also contribute to studio works, light, studio sound, mic, maybe internet, maybe cause you person improve your studio, no, just to improve our services towards you people. Me pacho you na accepted. More say we the only NPP platform I active on social media. Pa yeah, you my NPP gidi. It's science, you know. Yeah, take customization. You be yeah, the osuna ne yesom no. To be so boy na adwuma ye show appreciation and idea me pacho bit my boy ni beje pa me da say me pacho we di bia ye ka asem ni be koso aka asem si obi bia ni wo MPP amanyoku ni ma se bi ososen osono amanyoku no ai the base no mot omo nhwe bibi you see emre bi atwa mu de na okan PPA na ebe ye diplomatic ye din sa na ahwem ma no ma bi en sem fata be ne de utia ye na so betia won fe oboy sum ye ba boyem afiwe ye nhwem obi en bedin sinfunu sabi enkere ye no mfa ne hundi dabi. And no matter how long you've been a serving member of the New Patriotic Party, onso sen osona manyoku no onso ensin osona manyoku. That's one thing that also be the trinity. Yeah, edin ye hwensem bi na ekoso sa ba afi we the Ghana and Sim TV, we will match them boot for boot because he has some NPP no nipa. Nante bi afa to omo we fi bi the base. No mo so mo ye adwuma mera Canada hina Japan. Na era ye mu bi de ebu pa because ye nim say NPP mu de wa pay dues. Ba era had ye be kan adwempa na akere. Era say wo na wasoma the base said your moka say wo na wasoma wo na so mo test waters pa de era mu di akoro. Era ho ne Canada Japan ye nim say do NPP me gidi say do NPP nti mpese me gidi say the base nyo na wasoma wo. Say wo na wasoma ma era kan bibi kire wo no omo ni tira wo mani nton. TME NPP no pe wompo aye era Canada Japan yi aye obi bia wo NPP when you could mu yi ti all running and they are very careful. Disrespect is too much. Munye hwe bibi sabi munye hwe bibi na eniamo sa na moye no e too much. Now, Hannah say I was running down Dr. Bawumia MPP because that to be our candidate interest. Say you Dr. Elijah Mawumba we enkonwe ya obi enu ha wo ko mechanical na akire mo. So onkonwe ya obi enu ha wo ko. Because so ama yonko entwa nko na wuntwadu. Sa no ama yonko entwa nko a wuntwandu. Sa nete. Hai Sane afi we dey you see boot for boot pa mugamu aha ye takashe ni ade ye kafrafra wa say boot for boot pa. The disrespect is too much. Me pacho say wo se wunji NPP philosophy na so be join the base fine, but we will not watch you run down the elephant symbol, never. Adibuo kala de binimo ni so mo e binimo ni so. Edi na ebesi was a chere jama sentema tumpan na inti a party a aye nipa wudi na chi ni yie nipa na so no ball pa obeball pa se bra be deep party no be good party no fi because of his parochial interest. Ainsi that we will not sit for that to happen. Se mo ka MPP do ye beba respond to mudu. Say the base. Era omo dada wa mo akoshi skegu. Said the oba MPP prime is awore ye no. Sa na omdo be kwa mo akwakwore. Na Ghana for some can say Yura Alancha maintain crumpo omo born former na wo Kenya Japan no hene. Yura wo future into 10 MPP mate. Dr. Bawumia ko wia ye be hwese betimi do ba bia mena ye ya. Nemo so ba nkrofo hye wachi yodo ma omo mo kanfo uduafo mo kanfo wachacha omo perform boy Yura. Obian was seeing the new patriotic party in elephant. Obian was seeing no. It is almost more feel say too bigger than the elephant symbol, and I said the new patriotic party. Almost dada was kind of more per GDA. Let's come together and work as one people for power. Because you can NPP contract or the amount more and more support. More the base are more cancer. Sebi contract NPP the amount more candidates in your contract get wow. Opportunity NPP the amount more candidates in your opportunity to get wow. Na say ne, they open way nya. Party amount sako one over running it down. Bibi chichemo, mumpe baby nyina. Mumpe baby nyina.
Yati bibi say NPP inform 4% omo komanhia.
What's our group for the other who was through? Now, you people think, say, yeah, MPP for whom time or Musamun Quasia Basin home. As it will be comments, Yako catcher. Na Alan cry any nechi. Na Otibosu, and you didn't comment, Yasi and Cocanasam. Alan cry any nechi. Moyana more for Bibi or for Modiana. And I am a Bibi Hamo. And I'm going to say, MPP party and Kola party. A bit to say, CPP money or more market room. Me say, Opa Wetibozu Swaya Bema, one to the base, no one from facing MPP 2028. You know, say, it shall allow. 2028, Dr. Mohamed Bawumia is going to win the election. And you Opa join Opa Trao baby for Unquasia base, the baby. Ye any more time, and I'm going to say one time. And I better say, the base into your comments, Yako patch or so base tantano, base in our social media, no could be unfamono. And now you think, say, who pursue the base now, then Crawford do it. Ghana for any time, and which like Ghana for woman or more has on the Atuaba, I'm a Dr. Mohamed Bawumia 2028, light bill omitimitria, water bill omitimitria, school fees omitimitria. Ghana yet, I don't know more than when you base it tantano, someone must say some musika, dear bench say a Panama Yama Ghana for. Must keep quiet over there and stop fooling.
Buzia, there be Buzia ne Fusunyane. There be Buzia for Wanchi, yeah. Yeah, or me, Mamma Sewa, Nana, or no, me papa down for no. You me papa 1911 phobia. Hey, that's all on so we are hasn't so 1911. Oh, that's all you are hasn't. As a dracho, oh, said a dracho, oh, dear, as a woman, I remember when I go by, I'm funny. And you won't Drazo. Madame Fone, Busia. Now, Monsieur Onunti, and your betting me papa, Rollins betting me papa. 1981, go to detention in Sawam 6 months, me papa back to an Efra. Give me an MPP near Sini. Nana, Missy Matumia MPP, and one name to me, Yavobia. What name to me, MPP? Fine. Missy MPP, baby, I'm afraid. Say, MPP power be a demonstration. I need jealous some more or more than 90 chrono. On the boat rail fear, a boobia obia. A chose me MPP. Me dokuno, me wa humpam at the makuno. Now that time no phobia, no young phobia with you. No young penny for way more. Ah, what would you do? What pa? But you know, what is that? See, me to me, see a contract to almost say, almost not say party in India. Because Bibi or Muye be a chess, or what the part or move the same party no. na no obi bu baby o platform no so o si baby apani etina ohunu no akola baby apani ti wa ohunu no akola etina wa wo hu enokre omon pani kufo ka se emra no okono o si yemfa party ni made obeka party na bom yemfa party ni made ono no temu a ya the party ni beja de asem to party mu a obeya ntopi ya pama party na gina ni anim se obo abro ni anim se aseda okutia na Akufo-Addo sana wa hu de eba ana Akufo-Addo ne no ofa ono no ofa awuli abo modern se on party oni Victor Wusu amaliman aba be president ebia na Akufo-Addo akofa bawomi ama ma be MPP and the MPP nya attractive phobia me so mo di MPP achi nyina ye nkrofo a kobo 50 pesos 2 million 4 million 3 million 10 million ko mo di phobia that is 1,000 Ghana cedi omu nya come to omo san krofo na say omu di MPP achi and yo ya catch omu say dia de mo die dede ne de beta mo ato abatia omo iwo phobia ya ntro mu nyansa omo mpanimfo that the god yet me abonya odi Kennedy wo ina Japan atem me put na nikuso prophet what obia MPP supporters eight the papa ebe rescue sanko fe mu amunyankwa just the abonya to on pass what papa no because we focus MPP is fake. Wow. MPP is fake. Dr. Nyawo Tamaklu. Omo ndansa do phobia. Nani pan to me kata panimfo we storage na making sure say omo be rescue MPP enei. Omo this ankrofo no munya. Abonye ni nkrofo atem enkodi asofo atem enkodi himfofo atem eni de do ina Japan atem the party financier ono ne hu hia sen mpanimfo wom no asa party ani enim se first na ye anyansafo any phobia me say MPP party example of Ellis say yankase nimdifo party na people kwa na stand on we biare NDC
NDC na see na see no we biare
NDC party atadia na
o fere o beti tesisi o beti te
me say what
ani kuma se kura mpo be bia Ghana be bia NDC atalo ntimi se
ene ya den
so omo di nikura ma omo ama discipline ebe party no ana akodu be bia duro
you omonim wo NDC na MPP ayenwa MPP
sa yenim se akosi sa ekrutufo awon no besefo so omo me wi ayen yenim o
na ne koka be bia people awon phobia ya punish wo mo a omo mu ade o se punish wo mo o te ye seda ye seda pa ya adwin say ye punish MPP party and yes na omutrimbe omo de and omo anya lucky that you am catch omo NDC supporters different from MPP supporters ya no omo na titifie ye omo ye nuane wo omo MPP for ye ne ye dia akanfo ye party no ya ti wa himfie ya ti wa himfie o chami akoto ana ti MPP ana otumfo opoku ware ama ne sika ede support to MPP ede gina MPP na tete na ewiase no da atai phobia na kanne tete no waka sa ye papa mu ya henkro tete no na nsa ya kura no waka sa nke ebe be fa no ye ba be fa no na kwakire ba bia
ni papa no otumfo ai tete na nke ebe fa no
na offense Asante regional minister aka no wanti ana Sa MPP Ashanti regional minister I will try 8 years no Akufo Addo nipa no
Simon Semensa
Simon Semensa
Okan no ante o the first no ba omian kroko no mo ba kuromu a ya de mo tira kurotia na otwe ekọ na otwe mienu edware mu ntini suo da bia ye dware mo anadofa ye be se edware mo a ansa na ekọ 14 days no watumi abafie obi amansia no adafem no ohene de ne mpapoa ne chacha na tia ne to afna watumi atore kura gun kotode ato ohene nim se wo papa ne otumfo yate otumfo ya wo papa yate na 2028 ebeso ye be tro ba bi